What's going on, YouTube? Today we're up here at the Hesida Lighthouse, and we're up here at the parking lot right down here on Highway 101. We've got about 30-mile-an-hour winds minimum. We've got high tide. We've got high rivers, flooding rivers. We've got some pretty good stormy conditions going on here today. Generally out there, that's just beach, and you can walk all the way out there. But today, we've just got massive amounts of water coming from all directions. I'm going to change the camera around and see if I can get a couple of other shots, a couple of other angles. There's just myself and one other car in this parking lot today. There's nobody out. These are some of my favorite times to be out here at the beach. These stormy days. Good times. Hey YouTube, down here at the beach today, just observing some of the aftermath of the storms we've had over this past week. We've had some pretty monumental storms. Getting a little bit of a break in the weather right now. It's a nice sunny day today. This huge piece of timber that washed up on the beach.